So we have here 6u squared minus 22uv plus 20v squared. Okay, so how do we factor this? I think we can see that the first they have common common term. Like for example, this is even, this is even, this is even. More or less, we can say that this can be factored out. Number two could be factored out of the whole term. So this must be equal to factor out at 1 2 ang mabilin diri kay 3u squared, diri mabilin kay 11uv, diri mabilin kay um 20, right? 20 divided 2, that's 10 v squared. So, kung kani siya karon, let's try to factor this. Let's try to make a way nga, well, ang answer kay 11. So, medyo kanisa ko nga part, no? Sinisas pinaka medyo matrabaho kay mag-factor ako kay trinomial nga dili perfect square. Then, nakay number diyan. So, what shall we do? 3u times u. So, ang idea man na ani is dapat ang imuhang quandary, ang imuhang kung mag-multiply ka sa mga first term, dapat ang answer kay ang first term. Kung multiply nimo ang last term, dapat ang answer no kana ug kana multiplied by that. Dapat kani ang answer 10v. So more or less naka-idea nga pwede diri no kay 10v man na siya, pwede diri times na kay mga options either 10v times kuan ba 10v times 1v mahimong 10v squared, pwede pod 5v times 2v mahimong gyapon na siyang 10v squared, pero negative man ang middle term. So naka-idea somehow nga, well, negative ang mga kuha. Anyway, negative 10v times 1v, 10v squared man gyapon na siya. So imo nang i-try kay kung kani manggod, ang middle term dapat sum sa kuno sa idea nga FOIL, di ba? FOIL means FOIL. Kani i-times nimo ang first term, mo nang mahimong first term. Kaning outer or inner term mo ni ang mahimong middle term diana. So let's try to do that. For example, let me have this negative 10v and I have here minus v. Pila man ang answer? Well, ang first term is 3u squared. Ang last term will be negative 10v times negative v, 10v squared. Okay lang siya ang first term ug last, but let us see kung ang middle term okay ba. Negative 3 times negative 5, negative 3u times negative v is what? Well, that's negative 3uv. Negative 10v times u, negative 10uv. So pag add nila, dili negative 11. So wrong ni siya. Somehow, you choose the other one. I believe kani siya nga pairing. Diri ang 5, dani ang 2. Okay? Nga naman, if you do that, you have here 3 times negative 2, that's what? 3 times negative 2, that's negative 6 uv. Negative 5 times u, that's negative 5 uv. And more or less, you got 11 uv. Okay? So, ingon ana siya no, pag-adjust. So, the more ka nga sige practice og kuan ano, factor og ingon ani, the more ka nga mas mabihasa. Of course, that's normal. Dili na siya secret, but that's why we should practice. No? How do you factor this out? So, this must be 3u minus 5v times u minus 2v. Okay, and this is already a prime factor, and this is our answer. So since we don't end up in here, we always check our work. So dapat aton nang i-check ba? So let's put values. I'll say u equal to 1, v equal to 2. So if that will be the case, I'll have 2 times 3 minus 10 times 1 minus 4. How much is that? 2 minus 7, 2 times negative 7, negative 3. It must be what? Negative 7 times 3, that's 21, times 2, that's 42. Okay, let me check if this is 42. I'll have here 6 minus 44 plus 80. So what's that? Well, if I have 80, I have 86 minus 44. What's that? Well, that's 42, and more or less I'm getting the correct answer. Thank you.